In this video, Maria and I are going to show you how to make rainbow popcorn. It's colorful, it's delicious, it's a little harder to make, but it's well worth it.
Let's do it, Dad.
Okay then, make your popcorn the old-fashioned way. You'll need a lot. We need a saucepan, and we'll need sugar, corn syrup, butter, cream of tartar, and we'll also need a few colors of Jell-O. We use lime green, cherry red, orange, and lemon yellow, and some food color to add. Green, red, and yellow make orange, and yellow. And you'll also need some baking soda. You will need a large bowl and wooden spoon to stir. 2 large turkey roasting pans. If you don't have, the disposable foil pans work well. Butter the roasting pans well. And also the mixing bowl. Okay, we add our 1/2 cup of corn syrup and 1.5 cups sugar. We're using a 1/2 cup measure, so we need 3 scoops. Half teaspoon of salt. Two tablespoons of butter. And finally, the 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar. We don't add the gelatin yet, that comes later. We always like to do this as a team, and that way when the popcorn starts to pop, your teammate can be adding the gelatin and food coloring to the syrup mix. By this time you should be preheating the oven to 200 degrees. We're stirring the syrup till it's boiling and bubbling. Then we add our 6 drops of food coloring. And the package of Jell-O. Okay, now we're going to add our warmed popcorn to the mixing bowl. Need about 3 quarts. take our baking soda, put 1 teaspoon in, and immediately you'll see the syrup sauce bubbling and foaming up and expanding about twice its original size. This makes it nice and fluffy, so it's easier to coat the popcorn. Pour it over the top of the popcorn. And this sauce is very, very hot, so be careful when you're doing your mixing. You don't want to get any of that on you. So I carefully stir, making sure that I'm mixing the popcorn thoroughly and being careful not to touch the sauce. When we're finished with that, then transfer it into the baking roaster pans. And it's ready for the oven. It's going to cook for about an hour and a half, and every half an hour you take it out and mix it up and break it up a little bit. After it comes out of the oven for the last time, put it in a large kettle or something where you can cool it down, because you're going to be putting it into a plastic bag. Then your last step is to take the final batch that's been cooled and mix it in with the rest of the batches. And to mix the colors a little bit, all you do is just roll the bag. Back and forth until they're mixed. You'll have your rainbow popcorn ready to package up as gifts or to serve. And with that,
Thank you for watching our video.